Welcome to Chef Mariam's website recipe, where you'll find a treasure trove of delicious recipes and culinary inspiration to satisfy your taste buds. Chef Mariam is a master of the culinary arts, with years of experience and a passion for creating unique and flavorful dishes that are sure to impress. On Chef Mariam's website, you'll find an extensive collection of recipes that cater to all tastes and dietary preferences. Whether you're a meat lover or a vegan, a sweet tooth, or a savory fan, Chef Mariam has something special for you. From classic comfort foods to exotic international dishes, there's no shortage of options to explore and savor. One of the unique features of Chef Mariam's website is the emphasis on using high-quality ingredients that are both healthy and delicious. Chef Mariam believes that cooking is an art that requires patience, skill, and attention to detail, and her recipes reflect this philosophy. You'll find a variety of ingredients, including fresh herbs, spices, and vegetables, as well as lean proteins and healthy fats, that will nourish your body and tantalize your taste buds. But Chef Mariam's website is more than just a collection of recipes. It's a place where food lovers can come together to share their passion and creativity. Chef Mariam encourages her readers to experiment with new ingredients and cooking techniques and to share their own recipes and ideas with the community. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, you'll find plenty of inspiration and support on this website. So, whether you're looking to impress your dinner guests, whip up a quick and easy weeknight meal, or indulge in a sweet treat, Chef Mariam's website has got you covered. With her expert guidance and creative recipes, you'll be able to take your culinary skills to the next level and explore the delicious world of food in a whole new way. Welcome to Chef Mariam's website, where the possibilities are endless and the flavors are unforgettable. Introduction. Sure, here are 5 points for an introduction to Laddu. 1. Laddu is a popular Indian sweet that is enjoyed all over the country and beyond. 1. It is a small, round ball-shaped sweet that is typically made with flour, sugar, and ghee, clarified butter, as well as other ingredients such as nuts, dried fruit, and spices. 2. Laddu is a traditional sweet that has been around for centuries, with different variations and recipes passed down from generation to generation. 2. It is often associated with festive occasions and celebrations such as weddings, birthdays, and religious festivals. 3. Laddu is known for its delicious taste and texture, which can vary depending on the recipe and ingredients used. 3. It is often described as soft, chewy, and melt in your mouth, with a sweet and nutty flavor. 4. Laddu has gained popularity around the world, with many people trying their hand at making this traditional Indian sweet. 4. It is also available in some Indian restaurants and grocery stores, as well as being sold online. 5. Laddu is not only a tasty treat but also has cultural significance in Indian society. 5. It is often given as a gift or offering to deities, and is also used in certain ceremonies and rituals. 5. Laddu has become a symbol of Indian hospitality and generosity and is an important part of the country's culinary heritage. Laddu Recipe. Chef Mariam. Laddu is a popular Indian sweet that has been enjoyed for generations, and there are countless variations of this delicious treat. In this article, we will explore some of Chef Mariam's favorite Laddu recipes, along with complete details and step-by-step instructions for creating these delightful treats in your own kitchen. 1 Besan Laddu Recipe. Ingredients. 1. 1 cup besan, gram flour. 2. 1/2 cup ghee. 3. 1/2 cup powdered sugar. 4. 1/4 cup chopped almonds. 5. 1/4 cup chopped pistachios. 6. 1/4 of a teaspoon cardamom powder. Instructions. 1. In a skillet, heat the ghee over medium intensity until it liquefies. 2. Add the besan to the pan and stir well until the mixture becomes smooth and light golden brown. 2. Keep stirring to prevent burning and cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. 3. Add the chopped almonds, pistachios, and cardamom powder to the mixture and stir well. 4. Switch off the intensity and let the combination cool down for a couple of moments. 5. Add the powdered sugar to the combination and blend well. 6. Take small portions of the mixture and roll them into round balls. Lattice. 7. Garnish the lattice with chopped almonds and pistachios. 2 Coconut Laddu Recipe. Ingredients. 1. 2 cups grated coconut. 2. 1 cup condensed milk. 3. Half a teaspoon cardamom powder. 4. 1 tablespoon ghee. 5. Chopped cashews and raisins for garnish. Instructions. 1. In a container, heat the ghee over medium intensity until it liquefies. 2. Add the grated coconut to the pan and stir well for about 2 to 3 minutes. 3. Add the condensed milk and cardamom powder to the pan and mix well. 4. Keep stirring the mixture until it thickens and starts to leave the sides of the pan. 5. Switch off the intensity and let the combination cool down for a couple of moments. 6. Take small portions of the mixture and roll them into round balls. Lattice. 7. Garnish the lattice with chopped cashews and raisins. 3 Rava Laddu Recipe. Ingredients. 1. 1 cup rava, semolina. 2. 1/2 cup ghee. 3. 1/2 cup sugar. 4. 1/4 cup chopped cashews. 5. 1/4 cup raisins. 6. 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder. Instructions. 1. In a pan, heat the ghee over medium heat until it melts. 2. Add the rava to the pan and stir well until the mixture becomes smooth and light golden brown. 2. Keep stirring to prevent burning and cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. 3. Add the chopped cashews, raisins, and cardamom powder to the mixture and stir well. 4. Add the sugar to the combination and blend well. 5. Take small portions of the mixture and roll them into round balls. Lattice. 6. Garnish the lattice with chopped cashews. 4 Bundi Laddu Recipe. Ingredients. 1. 2 cups besan, gram flour. 2. 1 cup water. 3. 2 cups sugar. 4. 1 cup ghee. 5. 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder. 6. Chopped almonds and pistachios for garnish. Instructions. 1. In a bowl, mix the besan and water to form a smooth batter. 2. Heat the ghee in a pan and pour a small amount of Laddu. Chef Mariam's special information. Chef Mariam is a well-known Indian chef who has gained a reputation for her delicious and innovative take on traditional Indian cuisine. She has a passion for cooking and has spent years perfecting her craft. Her love for laddu is evident in her special recipes that are loved by many. Chef Mariam's special touch to laddu is the use of high-quality ingredients, which makes her lattice stand out. She uses premium quality ghee, fresh and finely chopped nuts, and aromatic spices to bring out the best flavors in her laddu. She is also known for experimenting with unique flavor combinations, such as using rose petals or saffron to create a more exotic taste. What makes Chef Mariam's laddu recipes unique is her attention to detail at every step of the process. She carefully roasts the besan to a perfect golden brown, stirs it with the right amount of ghee and sugar to get a perfect consistency, and garnishes the lattice with carefully selected nuts and spices to create a beautiful presentation. Chef Mariam's lattice have become a popular treat for many events, from weddings and birthdays to religious festivals and celebrations. People have been raving about the unique flavors and textures of her lattice, which are different from the regular lattice available in the market. In addition to her laddu recipes, Chef Mariam has also shared many other popular Indian recipes that are loved by many. Her recipes are easy to follow, and she provides detailed instructions that are suitable for both beginners and experienced cooks. In conclusion, Chef Mariam's special touch to laddu has made this traditional Indian sweet even more delightful. Her unique recipes and attention to detail in every step of the process have set her lattice apart from the rest. If you want to try making laddu at home, Chef Mariam's recipes are definitely worth a try.